Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, that is IFCO. So let's start the video. Friends, IFCO has required the recruitment notification for trainee accounts and accounts officer vacancies. Here the qualification asked for both the post is CA intermediate along with graduation in any discipline having scored minimum 60% marks. So here you need to satisfy both the condition. You should be a CA inter pass as well as graduate in any discipline, that is BA, BSc, BCom, BBA, all are eligible provided you have minimum 60% marks, then only you are eligible. Then here upper age limit for trainee accounts is 30 years as on 1st Feb 2025, and there are certain age relaxation for SC, ST and OBC category candidate. Then second vacancy for accounts officer, age limit is 38 years as on 1st Feb 2025 along with certain age relaxation for SC, ST and OBC category candidate. Friends, here they have not specified the number of posts. They have just mentioned that there is a vacancy for trainee accounts and accounts officer. It may be 1, it may be 3, 5, we don't know. It's up to the company. Then the location for these vacancies are anywhere in India. They can post you in any location as per their requirement, and the position is transferable pan India. Key skills and additional skills asked. Friends, here they have mentioned that you will be mainly in corporate finance and accounts, taxation, treasury management, working knowledge of ERP and SAP. So these skills are required to be new. Now the experience and compensation. Friends, here for trainee accounts, your training will be of 1 year, and during the training total stipend along with other allowances will be approx 48,000 per month, and on successful completion of training you may be pointed in the pay scale of 40,000 to 75,000. Here your gross CTC will be around 12 lakhs per annum. So that's really a very good package considering the qualification asked. Then for accounts officer, here you need to have minimum 8 years of experience in finance and accounts in large reputed manufacturing organization excluding your articleship training. So your articleship period will not be counted in this 8 years, and selected candidate depending on their suitability and experience may be placed in the pay scale of 51,000 to 1 lakh, and here your gross CTC will be around 15 lakhs per annum. For both the post, package is really good. Now service bond. Friends, here they have mentioned that selected candidate for the post of trainee account will have to furnish a bond for serving for a minimum period of 3 years after completion of training. Here they have not mentioned about the accounts officer. Here they have just mentioned for the post of trainee accounts. So this bond condition is only for the trainee accounts and not for accounts officer. Now selection procedure, very important. Friends, here eligible candidate will be required to appear for computer based online test, and these test will be held at the designated center throughout the India or as decided by the IFCO depending upon number of candidates. If number of candidates are large scale, then the test can be held at various locations across India. If the number of applications are less, then they can call the test at their head office also. So it's totally up to them, and only those candidates who will be called for personal interview who are shortlisted on the basis of performance in the online test. So based on your online test, you will be called for personal interview. And here they have mentioned the knowledge of language. Working knowledge of more than one Indian language other than mother tongue will be desirable. So it will be added advantage for you if you know more than your mother tongue language. So if you are interested and eligible, you can apply through online mode only by 15th Feb 2025, and you don't need to send any hard copy of the application, and kindly take the printout of application copy for your future reference. Now application fee and all that thing is not mentioned here. That's all friend. It's a very small notification for CA inter candidates who are also graduate with 60% marks for the post of trainee accounts and accounts officer. If you are meeting the eligibility condition, you should apply, and if you are having the desired experience of 8 years, you can apply for accounts officer. The package is really good. You should definitely give it a try, and we at Finance MCQ will help you to prepare for your written test. We'll soon launch a practice course for this examination. In the meantime, just fill up the application form if you are meeting the eligibility criteria. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.